can see that how army personnel are carrying out operation to defuse the shells from the Pakistan which are which didn't explode. And right now we can see that this is the shell in the hands of the army personnel which didn't explode at all. And to find out this, the entire area, the area under which this shell was found was digged by the army personnel. They were wearing bomb suit, and then they went beneath the ground was digged for at least, sir, how much the ground was digged? 2.5 feet. So the ground was digged for 2.5 feet, and again it was found. Then this is the place where there was a shell, but the shell didn't explode.
It is actually underground. We first found it. We were first told that there is an explosive. Then we undertook digging.
Okay.
And we had to dig almost 2 feet. And the shell is lodged almost 2 feet under the ground.
So the shell is 2
feet. It is already there.
It's already there.
Almost 2 feet under the ground, and that is why we have put sandbags. And now we have actually confirmed it using the deep search metal detector that there is a metallic shell.
In this entire region where I'm reporting from, almost 3 shells have been exploded by the army by evacuating this entire area, which is between the civilian residential area, and also there's an open ground. Almost 4 shells were found here. Similarly, we have been told that in the Rajouri district overall, 11 shells were dropped by Pakistan on 6th and on 7th night.
There are various caliber of shells. So this shell which we have found particularly seems to be a 120 mm shell. And there are 2 more in this area. One is towards your left. Okay. That is, we have placed a red flag there, and one is behind that house, which we are finding out. We are in the process of digging. After this, we will be digging that. So the exact blast effect is very difficult to predict. And the importance of these particular, the shelling which has happened here, it is just next to the strategic Poonch highway. So what we were anticipating, and it seems that the Pakistanis, they have been targeting the Poonch highway, which is the most strategic highway connecting Jammu and Poonch. So that is why all these shells have landed hardly 300 to 400 meters short of the highway.
Behind me, you can see almost 15 army personnel along with the Jammu Kashmir police are here, and the Jammu Kashmir police gives the information to the army personnel first about the shells which are being dropped in the civilian area, and then this operation is being conducted. So this becomes very much important to understand that how Pakistan tried to target not only the Rajouri-Poonch National Highway, which is just near to the place I'm standing, but also the civilians area as well. Sir, as this operation the army personnel is conducting, this entire area has been vacated by civilians for the safety, as a safety measure.
This has been, though people are still staying in his houses, but when we will be undertaking the explosion, we will be obviously putting them in a safe area, and only then the explosion will be undertaken.